Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and hey, I upgraded my main machine to the latest build of Windows. It was interesting to see that it actually showed me that it was, a little yellow line that was saying that welcome, there's a new feature update available, as if they've almost decided that 17763 was the official build. It's interesting because it did not show up in my Insider machine, which made me kind of think that, wow, this is kind of weird. It's as if my main machine was told that this was a feature update. So hey, I'm at 17763.1 right now, as you see here. Successfully installed. Went well. I've really had no problems. It just went very, very smoothly on this main machine. This is my main PC. So this is my Core i5 machine that I work with every day. I will keep my machine on the Insider builds just in case that this would not be the last thing. At least I'll be able to get at least the next build if there's one. But I wouldn't be surprised that this is the build and that what we'll have is a cumulative update rather than a full build install. So kind of cool. And like I said, it's working well. I've got no issues. Seems to be really perfect in the way that it's doing everything. I was looking at is it slower? Is it no? Well, I've used it for about 30 minutes right now, so it's not I can't put my hand in the fire and say, hey, yeah, this is working great. It is, but it's only been 30 minutes. Of course, what will be intriguing for me is my phone experience here, that I want to see if it's gonna work, because I am really wondering what's gonna happen with this. And hopefully I'll be able to have it working for sure. So basically we will be so my phone is not on Wi-Fi right now, as I just clicked the let's just check out if I can send a notifications just for the fun of it and see if my phone will connect to this. I don't know yet. It's not doing anything, so I'm not sure it is, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll try to have this working if possible. And of course, it's working well, as you see here. 17763.1. This is my main Core i5 machine. Works perfectly. I'll be updating today. There's a few videos I'm going to show you because there's an updated screen for privacy settings with different options. We'll look at each option, which is kind of interesting. In probably the options that everybody will have when they upgrade their April 2018 machine to this new version, and we'll be checking that out for sure. So hopefully this is going to be interesting to look at, and we'll be happy to check out if there's glitches or anything. Of course, we'll come back, and of course we'll continue checking the possibility that this is probably RTM, or the official October 2018 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.